This is a tutorial on how to use the API with CloudContactAI. Any account that has purchased a plan will have access to the Settings tab. Under Settings, you'll want to go to Security. In the Security tab, you'll find both the client ID and the current API key. You'll have the option to either generate a new API key or copy an existing API key. You'll need both of these for accessing the API. On the developer view, you'll want to go to API reference in any of the campaign options. Looking over to the right side over the curl request window, you'll want to go to the header and put in the API key, followed by bearer. Down over by the client ID, you'll want to put in the client ID key. Down below, to start any sort of campaign, you'll want to click Add Object. The only categories you really need to worry about are the first name, the last name, and the phone number. As you add anything to these categories, it'll appear within the curl request. Then, you'll want to put together a message. Here, you can use any of the previously mentioned categories for the contact to fill in this message. And then, you'll want to add a title to your campaign. Once you're ready, you can click Try It and send the campaign. You can verify that the campaign went out by going to the SMS Campaign tab and clicking on your corresponding campaign. You'll be able to see all the details here. Alternatively, you can go to the Send tab and do the same there.